In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gemini in Google Messages on Samsung S25 Ultra. If you've been curious about bringing helpful AI right into your texting workflow, this is a simple and practical way to get started. Gemini in Google Messages can help you draft replies, clean up your wording, brainstorm ideas, and even summarize information you paste into a chat, all without leaving the Messages app. Begin by opening Google Messages on your Samsung S25 Ultra. Look for the familiar blue chat bubble icon in your app drawer or on your home screen, then tap to open it. Once you're in Messages, you'll see a small Gemini icon on the main screen or near the Compose area, depending on your layout and the current view. It typically looks like a sparkly star or the Gemini logo. Tap that icon to bring up Gemini inside Messages. A welcome screen or card will appear with a clear prompt to get started. Tap Use Gemini. This activates the Gemini experience right within Messages, and from here you can freely explore. You'll see a text box where you can type what you need help with, just like starting a normal message, but instead you're talking to Gemini. Try asking Gemini to draft a friendly reply to a text, rewrite a message to be more professional, or suggest a concise summary of a long note you plan to send. If you're planning an event, you can have it generate a quick checklist you can paste into your chat. You can also ask for short explanations, outlines, or ideas to make your message clearer and more helpful. Everything Gemini provides is a draft, so feel free to edit it before you send it to your contact. As you explore, keep an eye out for quick suggestions beneath the input field. These are prompts to help you get started. You can also paste text you received from someone else, then ask Gemini to summarize it or extract key points you can reply with. If you prefer speaking, use your keyboard's voice input to dictate your request, then let Gemini turn it into polished text. If you don't immediately see the Gemini icon, it can be due to app version, region availability, or network connection. Make sure Messages is up to date and that you're connected to the internet, then try again later. Also, remember to review AI-generated drafts for accuracy, especially names, dates, and addresses before sending. That's it. Open Messages, tap the Gemini icon, tap Use Gemini, and explore. With just those quick actions, you've added a powerful writing and idea partner directly into your everyday texting.